2019 CSA Academic Challenge Dr. Ann Wilcock Award goes to the team from Carleton University.
He led the development of the first CSA guideline on this subject, later spearheaded the effort to convert it into a national standard of Canada. Congratulations, Kerry. He has chaired various materials working groups and educated young engineers and others in standards, design, and studies related to distribution and transmission lines. Congratulations, Sebastian. He's contributed to the technical committees that write standards for oil-burning appliances, wind turbines, and inside wiring rules. He's currently vice chair of the technical subcommittee responsible for emergency power supply, unit equipment, exit signs, and life safety systems. Congratulations, Philip. Thanks largely to his leadership, CSA Group led the way in developing and publishing the first standards in North America on the performance of roadway and street lighting equipment. Congratulations, Andrew. Mr. Saunders has participated in countless activities leading and supporting the work of all committee levels, including the Nuclear Strategic Steering Committee, where he has been instrumental in advancing the role of standards in the nuclear industry. A passionate supporter of CSA Group, Mr. Saunders takes every opportunity to raise awareness and to promote use of its standards nationally and around the world.
And I hope you all recognize the value of an organization like CSA and the consensus standard process that we operate here in Canada. It is second to none in the world, and in my view it's the best in the world, but I don't have any tactile proof of that, but that's my view. And you know, we manage time and time again to get a bunch of people with very different views in a room and come out with a standard that we all agree on. And that's a very typically Canadian thing to do. Except at the political level, it seems. But the rest of us have to find a way of making the world work, and we're very good at it in this country, and I appreciate it. My message too is thank you. Keep up the good work. Don't stop. We need a lot more of this before we're done. Thanks again.